Like I just left the dollar store here. Over here, over here at the Family Dollar in town. Yeah. I'm in Macon right now, Bacon Avenue or whatever. Or whatnot. Let me show you some shit, man. New info. Yeah, my cap 25, got on my cap 25. So we did bit loaded. See the converter in it. I had my cap 25 one shot. 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you another cap. 25 I got on here right here. There's my real cap 25 right here. I bit loaded this, my other one right there just dropped down the line. See the Winchester round. This one that's still loaded. Shit. Big bank, bro. Real like, yeah. This one other cap 25 right here. Yeah. Hey, so eat one. Shit like that. So like, CP subscriber online. Let me come up.